How to fix auto rotate on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix auto rotate happening on your Android phone. So let's begin with the process on how we can fix that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're also having the issue of the auto rotate on your screen, like if you have turned on this option, option right here, which is portrait. So if the portrait option is on here, which means the phone is locked. So even if you switch up your phone's position, the screen won't change. But if you have turned on this option and the phone's auto rotate is not working, then these are the process you may do in order to fix it. One of the very easiest way is just restart your device and look up if that works or not. In order to restart your device, you may just click on the power button for some seconds and you'll be finding a restart button on your screen. So simply click on the restart option and simply restart your device. And then that you may just look for update available for your device. If any kind of update is available for your software in your device, just look for the updates, because that may be the one of the reason why your phone is having such kind of issues, technical issues. So make sure you have updated your phone to the latest version. And the next thing is you may just try deleting the app in which you're having the issue, because maybe that app is not functioning properly. So you may just reinstall the application on your device. Other than that, you may just put this auto rotate on your navigation bar, so that on your notification bar, so that it will be easier for you to rotate and auto rotate your screen onto your phone. So therefore follow the steps in order to fix your auto rotate not working on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.